Wowee. We got something exciting today at Homer Rumble, representing the Bloom Collection. Next up is this 1974 Volkswagen Transporter nut and bolt restoration. It's really astounding to see how beautiful this thing has been engineered and put together. Panels look great. The body work is flat and beautiful, and this thing has some big flat panels on it. Probably nicer than it was from the factory. It's got tinted windows that are all new. You can see all the hardware has been replaced. You know, everything is clean and nice. It's got custom 17-inch alloy wheels inspired from the Stalkers. So you got 17s on there, and if that's not good enough, you got them wrapped in Pirellis. A very nice package. Let's check it out inside. It's just beautiful. The headliner is just a work of art. And it extends right on top of the moonroof. Has a beautiful headliner in it as well, and that retracts and it closes up tightly. All the seals and weather stripping. All the seats have seat belts for your 7 passengers. And this thing is just a blast to drive. If you've never driven over a wheel before, it's really fun, and you could cut some serious corners. It's just pretty awesome. Let's get into the back. Plenty of room in here. It's really awesome. Behind there is more cargo space in the engine. I'll get to that soon. But you can see just a really nice, comfortable piece. And you got this banging sunroof that it makes me just want to get up here and show you how nice the roof is through it. Unbelievable just how nice this thing was put together. You know, most people leave the motor for last and don't really get into it, but not in this car. This motor is fully detailed, anodized, chromed, nice components on it, no leaks at all. It's a freaking car show. Look at this. The tub that's around it, there's no rust. It's just beautiful all the way through. This big, gorgeous moonroof closes right up. Just got to crank it shut. And it's got a beautiful headliner on it. And just really seals the deal. This car is so much fun. Pop your head out of that thing, ride down the road, take your kids and your whole family. Runs good too. I'm going to fire it up. Got a little bit of a performance cam on it. Your classic Volkswagen sound. A beautiful truck.